Here's a look at the Trick or Treat stamp set. This fun Halloween trick or treat themed photopolymer stamp set is great for making quick Halloween cards. Blend on your favorite inks to your card base or build a one-layer card scene and then stamp these silhouette images on top. The set contains a total of 10 stamps, which includes one long slimline-sized trick-or-treat sentiment that measures 7.5 by 3/4 of an inch, 5 costumed silhouette characters, which are all about 1.5 by 2 inches, a black cat, a little spider, and 2 shadow stamps to help create shadows under your characters. There is not a coordinating die for this stamp set. Here is a look at some of our design team inspiration. As you can see, this stamp set is great for slimline cards or for a standard A2 sized card. Thank you for having a look at the Trick or Treat stamp set.